The global supply chain for tungsten carbide rods is a complicated ecosystem built on limited mining of natural resources, geographic and political considerations, and the ability to stock and manufacture carbide rods. Toolmakers can mitigate these risks by evaluating their carbide rod suppliers' supply chain capabilities, specifically the sourcing of their tungsten, their local and regional production capabilities, and their local stock availability. Step 1. Understand the sourcing of tungsten. Tungsten is a rare metal primarily mined in politically and socially volatile countries. If your supplier sources tungsten only in high-risk countries, you are more likely to face supply chain delays. Chemical recycling offers an alternative source of tungsten, restoring its properties to match those of virgin tungsten. Its inclusion in general-purpose product lines diversifies the sourcing of tungsten and offsets virgin supply chain delays. Find suppliers that avoid sourcing from high-risk countries and diversify their supply chain sources with recycled tungsten carbide. Hyperion supplies tungsten almost exclusively from Western suppliers and recycling programs, minimizing the need to rely on Chinese sourcing. The next consideration is your vendor's production capabilities. The manufacture of tungsten carbide rods requires powder formulation, forming, sintering, and grinding capabilities. A supplier that has all these capabilities in multiple regions can meet demand faster, reduce transportation cost fluctuations, and reduce risk, knowing that, if necessary, it can meet your orders from another region. Finally, seek suppliers offering a diverse range of in-stock options. Prioritize vendors who provide transparent and regular updates on stock levels, facilitating efficient access to tungsten carbide rods when required. A stable and secure supply chain means reliable delivery to your customers, resulting in an increased competitive edge. Ask the right questions to your carbide rod suppliers and safeguard your supply chain. Learn more and visit our website today.